Introducing ZKGPT, the ultimate Web3 solution designed to simplify complex tasks while ensuring privacy and security. ZKGPT is a cutting-edge Web3 search engine that integrates AI and blockchain technology to enhance user experience. Offering a secure and private interface, key features of ZKGPT include smart contract tools, real-time insights, creative AI tools, a personalized experience, organized chat, and more. Let's see how you can use ZKGPT to simplify your Web3 experience. Open zkgpt.io in your browser. To get started, connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the bottom left corner. Select your preferred wallet and confirm the connection request. Once your wallet is connected, click the New Folder button to create a folder. Enter a name for the folder and click Add. Click the drop-down and select the plus icon to add topics. To edit a topic name, click the three dots and choose Edit. You can also permanently delete a topic using the Delete option. These same options are available for managing folders. If you want to add more folders, simply click the New Folder button. Here, you have three options: Ask Anything, Scan Contracts, and Generate Images, though it provides much more than these features. Let's begin with Ask Anything. I'll ask for an explanation of private keys in simple terms. Let's see what it brings. Nice, the response is clear and concise, making it much easier to understand, especially for those unfamiliar with the concept. Next, let's explore Scan Contracts. I'll input the contract address for the ZKGPT token. In just one click, I receive all the details about the contract address. What's particularly useful is that it also provides links to view the price chart and official links for connected platforms. Additionally, there are options to search on Twitter by contract address or ticker, offering great flexibility. Now, let's try the Generate Images feature. I want to create a meme related to wallet security. While this is the free version and not perfect, the bot generates a fairly good meme in the free version. The premium version will likely offer enhanced results. You can also download the image or copy the shareable link, making it easy to use. Next, I'll request a code. Suppose I want to airdrop crypto tokens. I receive the code within a few seconds, making it a valuable tool for both developers and learners. More importantly, you also get a detailed explanation of how the code works, adding further value to the solution. These are just a few examples of what ZKGPT can do. It's a comprehensive Web3 tool that simplifies complex tasks while prioritizing privacy and security. Additionally, ZKGPT has a tiered token system. Token holders can unlock more advanced features, with 4 distinct tiers: free, shrimp, fish, and whale, each offering additional benefits. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.